Although emojis have been around in some form for longer than 20 years, companies only started iterating on the idea of a creative emoticon in the 2010s. BitMoji is likely the most popular and successful private emoji replacement, developed independently before hitting popularity on Facebook and being acquired by Snapchat. BitMoji allows you to design your very own virtual avatar, similar to Nintendo's Mii's, before decking them out in outfits and adding them to fun virtual stickers. BitMoji has also created partnerships with brands like DC, adding superhero-themed costumes, including Batman, into the mix. Here's the bad news. The Batman promotion is nearly 5 years old, having expired after the release of Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice in 2016. So while you can't currently dress up your Bitmoji to look like Batman, the good news is that new fashions appear all the time, making it easy to customize your Bitmoji exactly how you want it. To change your Bitmoji's fashion, launch the app and select Fashion at the bottom of your screen. Bitmoji will automatically suggest some new outfits for you to check out, with your new additions at the top and old classics further down. Find the ones that you like and dress your avatar as usual. Bitmoji also frequently releases new outfits, with most of them being limited time options. Keep in mind that updating from an expired outfit to a new one removes the old ones, and once you click save, there's no way to reverse any changes you've made. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Bitmoji and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.